If you haven't already, please check out my house tour. The link is down in the description. That video has over 36,000 views at this time, so thank you guys so much. Hey guys, when you were growing up, did you guys ever have like decorative towels in the bathroom that your mom was like, do not wipe your hands on my towels? Well, that is exactly what these are. They are decorative bathroom towels, and I made them for less than $25. So if you're interested in learning how to make them, just keep watching. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope that this is a reminder that we don't always have to spend a ridiculous amount of money for things. We can make them ourselves. So if you like this video and you want more DIYs, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.